Father accused of fatally stabbing his son in Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Detectives assigned to the Clarendon Police Division have arrested and charged a father accused of fatally stabbing his son. The incident took place on February the 1st. Dead is 34-year-old Ryan Savory, a plumber of Donald Boulevard, Maypen, Clarendon. Reports are that at around 8:11 p.m., the young Savory was along the roadway behaving boisterously. Reports from the police are that when the man reached home, he was attacked and stabbed severely by his father. The injured victim was rushed to the hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. A report was made to the police and the father, identified as Desmond Savory, was arrested and charged with murder. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast.